fish scale clouds. This here's a lake that we're on. This beautiful lake. Yep. Yep, there's a rope swing right over there where you can see the dirt pouring up right there. Yep. That back there is where we were just fishing at. Now we're going to go up here between these two little points and head on back up to the resort. Yeah, the resort's way up there. Yep.
By the delta, there's a river that runs both ways, and the cypress alleys go on for days. If you want to, we can go there, and to be there with you. I'm out there fishing when the catfish is ready to bite, and when the nets are filled with crawfish, it's a sight. If you want to, we can go there, and to be there with you.
There's the resort from the water side. See if I can get it in there. Act like I know what I'm doing. How about that? And we are back at the dock. Yeah. Put these here back up. Side, that helped me. That was helping block the sun when I was fishing. There we go. There. Yeah, but there's a lake here behind me. Did a good job today, though. In a couple hours. Right there's a resort from the water's edge. Yeah, there's a nice cabin right there. I like that little cabin there.
Cabin 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's neat.
It's a bigger cabin too. Had to get together.
Just the two of us.
Yeah, it's way too big for just me and you.
Like for me, you, and Mom.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, here's our fish we got. I go right there. They are. You know, have to put them in the water because we got another fishing trip we're going on. So, okay, I can't really see them. I don't know if you guys can even see them. Look how clear that water is, though.
Sorry.
You're all right. Look how clear that water is. That's probably good. I don't know, 3 foot, 4 foot deep right there.
Yeah, probably about 3.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yep.
That's why I like this lake here. That's how clear it is. You can come out here every now and then. You'll see perch swimming around and bluegill. Never know what you'll see swimming around out here, though.
Water's really clean and clear.
Like I said, thanks for watching. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Bye.